Hello guys, welcome to another video of previous year questions. So today also we will be understanding few questions that might appear in your examination or the type or these type of questions which will be appearing in your previous year examination. So the first question is the Prime Minister of England called dash the President of America. Now here are the options given to you. The options is out, in, on, and at. So you can understand from the question itself that it is a question of preposition. Okay. So the Prime Minister of England called, exactly, you have to use a preposition with this word. Okay. He called out the President of America. He called in the President of America. He called on or he called at. So basically, with every preposition, the sentence will change its meaning. Okay. Here, somewhere from the question, you can understand he has invited. For invitation, for inviting, for calling in, you have to use the preposition in. Called in. Called in the President of America. That means the Prime Minister of England actually invited the President of America. Question number two, he decided to dash his metric examination in order to get a high score. Okay, the options are redo, reappear, rewrite, and remake. He decided to, he wanted to give the examination twice. That means re. Re is used for doing something and a second time, repetition. Now, redo, reappear, rewrite, or remake. Remake cannot be your option because it is somewhere not related to an examination. You never make or remake an examination. So this is not going to be your option. Reduce it in your option list. Now you are left with three options over here: redo, reappear, and rewrite. Reappear, definitely you appear in examination, so you can write reappear, but read the sentence, try to fit it. If it's fine, otherwise you have to again cut this option. He decided to reappear his metric examination. Somewhere this answer is not going with the sentence. They are saying he decided to reappear if there would have been in his metric examination, because reappearing is a verb. As a verb, there is nothing given over here to adjust it, so it will not be a correct answer. Now you are left with redo or rewrite. Generally, in examination sense, write is the most appropriate word which is to be used instead of doing. You do your exam, but mostly the correct word grammatically to do an exam is to write an exam. So the correct answer will be rewrite. Okay, this is also not going to be the correct answer. Rewrite is the correct answer. Question number three, the animals of a particular region. That means this is one word type of question and you have to tell what are the animals of a particular region called. All those students who have studied science must be very well aware of this question, that the animals are not termed as flora. Of course, flora is related to florals and flowers and plants. Museum, you know, museum is a place where you see antique things. It cannot be related to an animal kind of thing or region, particular region, so reduce it. Zoo, zoo is a place, okay, a specific area for animals where you can go for recreation purpose, but it's not an animals of a particular region. Basically, fauna, fauna is the correct answer over here. Even if you don't know the answer, you can reduce your option. You can just cut out the options which you are thinking that cannot be, and you are left with the correct answer in the end. Question number four, choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. These type of questions are very common, as I told you earlier as well. The word given to you over here is abundant, and you have to tell the opposite of this word abundant. Okay, so to tell the opposite, first of all, you should know the meaning of this word. Basically, abundant means, if you talk about something called this is in abundant or abundance, or this is abundant, means a lot. Basically, it means a lot, a lot. So that means you have to find the word which is opposite to this. Short, no, it cannot be, because long and short, they are the opposite of each other. Limited, you can hold it, you can put it on hold for now. Petty, petty cannot be. Meager, yes, you can put it on hold currently. Now you're left with two important options. Limited, limited means something which is not a lot, and meager means a very small amount. But according to the meaning, a lot, a lot and limited are going parallel to each other. So the correct answer will be limited. Question number 5, replace the underlined word in the sentence with the best alternative. Alternatives are given to you in form of 4 options, and this is the word that you have to focus on. Let's read the sentence and try to understand the sentence first. I had my ears bored so I could wear my diamond earrings. So, like actually, it is told to you that something was done to the ears so that diamond earrings can be worn on that. Okay, these type of questions will also come. They will change the sentence. They will put another word over here. Okay, that can be correct or that can be wrong as well. Okay, that you have to find out. Hold, pricked, pierced, or no improvement. No improvement means this sentence is correct and you do not need any changes over here. But this is not the case. Somewhere the bold word is not going correct with this sentence. Hold, pricked, and pierced. Generally, when you have to wear any earrings in your ears, what do you do with your ears? You make a hole in it, but in English term, it is termed as piercing. Okay, all those you must be familiar about this word. I think piercing, ear piercing. So whenever you get a hole in your ear, that is not termed as a hole, but basically in English word or vocabulary word is pierced. So your correct answer will be I had my ears pierced so I could wear my diamond earrings. Now the last question is choose the correct active or passive voice. The sentence is given to you. First of all, you have to identify whether it is in active voice or whether it is in passive voice. Accordingly, you have to transform it. God gives happiness. This is what? This is a active sentence, active voice sentence. Now here the options are passive voices. Choose the correct one now. Happiness is given by God. Happiness is being given by God. Happiness has been given by God. Happiness will be given by God. To do these type of questions correctly, it is very important that you should know a brief understanding of the rules of active passive. You have to understand what are the different rules of active passive. Okay, so you can watch our videos as well. We have made separate videos on active passive voices. God gives us happiness. You can see here it is simple present tense, and okay, this is a simple present tense. In simple present tense, how you will form it? This is the way you form it. Happiness is given by God. Being given is used in case of being given is used in case of continuous. Has been is used in case of uh, perfect, present perfect. Will be is used in case of simple future. Here the sentence is in simple present. So simple present form, the passive form is given. This is the correct answer.